Hi guys, how are you guys doing? It was a good weekend, and we had a very good week last week, and we hope to have a better week this week. So, yeah, as we all know, I like to wait 1 or 2 minutes to get settled and to get so we can get into our weekly analysis. Guys, I'm super pumped up, like we are doing this together, and the fact that it's a community, and then we are moving the market our direction, and that's what we pray to to always keep doing. So I'll just wait a few seconds, so I'll just start proper. So, and as we all know, I love music. Which one am I listening to today? Okay, let's do commerce, because I
Are
want to
you a
increase the
STEM
commerce in my
professional and are
account.
looking to apply for U.S. permanent residency?
Now which kind life where I never see. I carry God so I fear nothing. The increase in the come back. Original no be parody. You know fit clear for your memory. But then now winter or summer, I think I just love and now living life in my fire, burning bright within the inside me. Only way through my feet, and no I can laugh to remove my check and balance everything inside my mind daily. Trust me, if I own me, and the kid on I love them. Who are friendly and conscious. I'm allergic to
In like less than 30 seconds, I'll start. Yeah, less than 30 seconds.
everything a connection. I'm not ready for confusion. Feel like boom inside like brother to make I live my life. Dreams come true. If not, if I think you know go tired.
Okay, that was a good one, guys. So, I'm super pumped up for the week. First of all, I like to do DXY as usual. So, I just want you guys to know that this weekly analysis is just the overall direction of the market, right? Sometimes we might not get our entry on before the market opens, but we always want to get the overall market direction. That's what I want you guys to know. So, right now, this is DXY, and then we're looking at general DXY move. Actually, overall direction, overall bias, DXY has been bullish, right? It's been bullish, and then that's why we are still trending. But when we come to the daily time frame, let's go to the daily. Still have okay, on the daily time frame, it seems bearish already because it broke the last low here, and then it's just been dancing around, and then after I did that, it created a liquidity point here, which we know that we actually ran through, and then yeah, it picked up again and started its uptrend. So one thing is we are still in between these guys. We are in between. Let me use this my brush. We are in between this and this, right? So now what we want to see is we want to see that break this level or break this level. But at the moment, it's respecting that an uptrend. And then we have a very good and very nice, fair value gap here. So it's of two things I want to see, guys. I want to see it come down to this point, to this fair value gap, fill it up, and then, break here because we have a bigger fair value gap at this point, right? That's what I want to see, guys. And at the moment, it's been respecting because you can see it didn't get to that particular line, but it's the bias we want to actually see it go. Want to see the bias play out. That's that. Let's go back to 4 hours because I think I love 4 hours after my one day. So here, if you look at this well, here we broke this low, this last high rather. You look at it, it's now trending up, right? But then what do I want to see? I want to see it still come down to at least this point. At least this point. It could go further. But I want to see it push down to at least this point here. And then, you can further see it come to this large fair value gap, which I don't mind. So at the moment, we're actually like uptrend. This is because we have this particular this big movement from here, like here to this point. So we could see it retrace back to this point. That's for DXY, and then we start seeing it run up. So overall, we are actually like, bullish. Let me check Bitcoin before I move further to currency pairs. Where is Bitcoin? I have Bitcoin here. So, like I told you guys, I've been very bullish on Bitcoin. This was the last point I said I want to see Bitcoin push up. And I pushed up to this particular line I drew. I don't know where it's coming from, but let's go back and see it. So, this was from the day. So, it was the last high. So, now it ran through the last high, which has created a new high for us at this point. So, you could see it pull back to this level, which I think it has done. There was an imbalance here at this point. It filled the 50% already, and then going down to our 4 hours time frame, you can see that it respected it beautifully, right? Beautifully, and now it's going back to the top. So when we go down to our 1 hour again, we keep seeing them, like the more you go down, the more you see entries on your lower time frames. That's what I do. I could mark up on my higher time frame, and then I see entries on my lower time frame. Here, can you see? So at the moment, I still see Bitcoin being bullish. The only thing I know that it might want to do is I want to visit this particular imbalance, which it might, I don't think it will, because it already filled it to an extent here. But it might want to, because at this point I can see some level of liquidity. So we might see it run through this liquidity, and then it creates another higher high for us. So this liquidity here. So we could see Bitcoin do this particular move to 50% of this around this area, and then keep going to the top. If it breaks this high, that's if it breaks the high, right? So yeah, that's that on Bitcoin. Let's go back to our currency pairs, guys. So as we all know, I like to go through all of them. So at this point, we didn't, okay, this one is a long time ago, but I never got to our entry. That's AED card. And then AED card, I don't really like the direction, but it's actually like uptrend. AED no. AED no. AED I hardly trade this guy, so I really don't know about AED AED I think this guy has been my guy. So it messes up at times. You can see, I think we had this trade, went down a bit before it pushed us out on our break even, but that's fair enough. We get it back. But AED now, with what I can see here, this particular move is a news move. But if you want to see it very nice, this is 1 hour time frame. I would love to see it fill this imbalance and then get to the 50% minimum of the particular imbalance before it pushes up, right? That's for AED. That's my bias for AED at the moment until I see something else. Because now we are trending between this particular high and low. This is where we are right now. This particular high and low, because it has broken this. Can you see it cleared out the equal highs here? Can you see? So we might actually see it actually do now this is where it gets confusing at times. It's actually cleared equal highs there, and then it pushed up. You might actually see a lower low here, then we'll keep taking it back until it gets to. So this particular thing now, I'm trying to explain in a way that you guys are going to understand. It cleared the higher highs here, the equal highs rather. So now it might be it happens sometimes whereby the market might want to do this. It might want to, let me show you. I want to do this, cleared the equal highs this way, right? Then it will do something like this from here to come down here. It has broken this particular low, and then we see this happen again. Okay, let me just use this magnet. So you could see this happen, and then further downward trend. So now we just have to wait for the market movement until we actually make our decisions, right? That's what I want us to do right now. For CAD JPY, the news was a lot last week. Like, it really moved the market, but very nice that it moved the market in our direction, in our way. I don't really like CAD JPY, but you guys can see with me that here it broke the higher highs, and then we might see a continuation, and then at least to this level, and then go back up. Germany 30, I've not really been liking the structure. Euro USD gave us something sweet last week before it did something else. So where did we take this from? I can't remember. I deleted this. Okay, I think we took it from here. It was from this level we took it. Yeah, there was a trade we had from this level. this way, right? Because of this particular candle, right? This is what we did here, and then it was actually a very good one, right? I think we took partials, and then some actually came to take us back in break even. I can't really remember, but I'm very sure we took this trade. But right now, I still don't have a bias yet because um, this was the last. At this point, it broke. Okay, it broke the last low here, right? And then pushed back up, broke the high, the same thing, and then created equal high here, right? So with this equal high that it has created here, you might want to run through these equal highs. Let me see my general market view. So I guess I will just allow this market play out, and then I see the movement. That's why I said it's also the weekly review is for our overall bias, right? We're not forcing anything. We're just like, letting the market print direction for us, and we take it, right? So Euro card, nothing. Euro CHF, I don't really trade it, but with the movement now, I feel like I'm going to visit somewhere around this area, and then we take it back up. Euro GBP, I didn't do anything on Euro GBP last week. Euro JPY, nothing still. Euro NZD, nothing. Euro USD. Oh, sorry, my bad. This was Euro AUD I was looking at. This is Euro USD. My bad, my bad, my bad. So I knew this was where we took this trade at this point, and then we had this nice push down. We took some partials, and then the rest actually kicked us out in break even. It was a crazy week last week due to the news and all. That's Euro USD, guys. That was my bad. GBP AUD, I didn't take this. GBP card, I didn't do anything on this, I'm sure. But if you look at these guys, I always tell you structure is key. At this point, we had it was trending upward. Can you see? It was trending like upward, higher high, higher low. If you look at this, see it gave us this, but this was where it stopped. At this point, it was still in that same range from here to here. So it gave us a lower high, and then it finally broke through. So now what do we look for? We look for a retest at this point and then take it down. So if the market opens and then it shifts back to this point, I feel like we might want to take it from this imbalance. Can you see? But let's see how many move it has actually made if it is not going to be a bad trade. So from here now, it has made about 20 pips move. Let's say I please out. This is just one of them. GAP card, GAP CHF. Nothing on this. GAP JPY. The same thing. GBP is actually printing the same thing right now, guys. If you look at them, the imbalance level are printing the same thing. That's crazy. Can you see? Broke it and then coming for more. It's just to make the market open, and then I told you guys I don't like to frustrate. I'll just let it do what it wants to do, and then I take it. I grab the bull by the horn. So GBP USD, we took a very nice trade here too. Guys, I was actually very calm last week trading because I don't want the beginners, like the new guys that are learning how to trade. I don't want them to blow their account. The news can be crazy, even if you are following structure, at times the news might actually like come there to disturb the movement and then take everything and then still go our way. That's why I didn't really take a lot of trades. I had the markups, right? I had the markup. I took few of them, but I was able to send some to the group so I don't actually like put your account at risk. So this is GBP USD, which I'm loving right now. We had this move. Can you see? It's been trending downward. It came here to trend downward, and then see this one still continue downward until we had this break due to the news. So now it is a very, very good break of structure. We will actually see this trade, this market come down to this level. And take us around here, which I don't think so. I'll prefer to see it around here, right? I prefer to see it around there because, okay, the last candle here, right? I'm just giving this up based on outlook, but I'll still actually watch the market play the way it does this thing before I actually take the trade. You could see about, okay, I could leave it around 18 pips. Then we take it like back to the top. Okay, I think I love this trade, guys. You could see it go back to the top here, right? Because we were trending up here until it came back to retest this. It's still uptrend in my opinion. So you could see a short downtrend and then back to the top. I think we should have the same for Euro USD. That's actually the same thing I think we have for Euro USD. But GBP USD is clearer. It's clearer to me. That's what I feel, guys. And then, okay, let me just have just those two of my watch list, Euro and GBP. We have NAS 100, very nice, retracement, and then back to the ground. NZT card, nothing on this. NZT JPY, nothing. NZT USD. Okay, I think I still want to see this happen on NZT USD. I'm really interested in. So NZD USD, Euro USD, and GBP USD are actually going the same direction. That is what I can see right now. So I think I love this. I want to see this happen. Let me go back to 4 hours. I want to see this happen. I want to see this happen. So I'll leave it there to USD card. USD card. Okay, the movement was on before it came back to kick us out and break even. That's very sad. We had this trade, though we took partials. Okay, no, we closed USD card totally. It was USD CHF that took us out on break even. At this point, I asked everybody to close because I was seeing the movement of DXY. So it's still uptrend in my opinion. What we have to do is just to go down time frames and then probably take a re-entry. Let me see. At this point, to take a re-entry could have been here. It has tested it, but let's let the market open. I feel like we should see it go up to this level, and then at this point we want to see retracement on XXS USD, and then we see it buying, right? But on USD XXS, we want to see retracement to the top, and then we see it selling. So it could just be convergence for the USD pairs. Like they will all move the same direction, like based on where the USD is, either from the XSS side USD or USD XSS side. So that's what we really want to see. So USD CHF, I had this trade for my family in the Telegram group. Can you see? We're in the trade, and then we actually kept our stop loss to break even at some point. And then he actually kicked us. He kicked us out. Okay, this was where we took this trade from. I guess I can't remember, but I'm very sure this trade kicked us out. He kicked us out in break even. USD JPY. I didn't do anything on this all week last week. And then gold. For gold, I still have this entry for gold, right? So you can see all the XXS USD. We want to see a retracement to the top, then a further sell to the ground. I hope you guys understand how I'm trying to correlate these pairs. This is a big stop loss, which now I will still try to look for a better entry on that. 83 pips is a lot to me, right? So here, let's go back to our DXY so we can actually end this call. So now look at DXY, right? I think I want to see DXY come down a bit to keep moving upward at this point. Then we keep going to the top, right? So I told you guys it's actually bullish, still bullish irrespective. Whichever place it wants to retrace to is now where we are looking at, right? Whichever place it wants to retrace to is what we are looking at. So now, like I said, GBP USD, I want to see it go to the top, to the bottom, and then further to the top. So Euro USD, DX, I want to see it go to the top and then to the bottom, right? Probably to the top a bit again, and then to this point where we can actually finally take it to the top. I don't know if you get what I mean. Let me write this down so you guys will understand why. I don't want to confuse you guys. So whenever XXS slash USD, let's just use XXS slash USD is going up, USD slash XXS coming down. So now USD XXS means any pair that has USD before them, and then the XXS are the other pairs. The XXS are the other pairs, and then USD are the is the normal USD pair. So now if you look at GBP USD, let me copy this so you guys will understand what I'm trying to say now. So let me go back to 30 minutes. I think I love the trade better on 30 minutes for GBP USD. I'll go ahead and remove this guy. That's not what I exactly wanted to do. Or let me just reduce it to this point. Okay. So look at this now. Let me paste this back here. Now this is GBP USD. GBP USD, right? If you want it to go down and then go up first, that one GBP to do GBP USD to. Then USD and any other pair, one GBP to go up and then down, right? So go down first. That's GBP USD and XSS USD. Go down and then go up. So for USD XSS, we go up first and come down. Let's see USD card if it aligns. Go up and then come down. Can you see this kind of thing? Let's see USD CHF. I don't like this. Let's see DXY. I want to see DXY go up and then go back down so we can pick it up for another better entry, something like this. You understand what I mean, guys? I don't want you to get confused, right? But I'm still going to like keep sending more updates, like during the week and all whatever I see in the market. But for now, the trade I know that I want to watch closely. I want to watch Euro USD because I want to see it come down, but I don't have a clear entry on Euro USD yet because I think I prefer GBP USD. GBP USD and NZD USD are the pairs on my watch list. I could take all this away. NZD USD, where is it? Yeah, those are the two pairs on my watch list right now, and I would actually like send more updates on them. So GU and NU, let's watch out, guys. Have a wonderful week, guys. I just want you to know that yes, I'm doing this for all of you, and I just want you guys to learn how to do this thing. I don't want to keep being the one taking all the trades, calling all the trades for you for life. I want you to get to a stage whereby each and every one of you can drop trades for me, and then I don't have to look at my chart and I take it. That's why I'm doing all this for free. And guys, there's nothing attached, no payment attached. I just want to do it for free for you guys. I learned the hard way, like I used to tell you guys. I lost money, I was emotionally down, I was mentally down just because I felt like I don't know what I was doing wrong. But all thanks to God, I was able to learn and then I got it better. And that's why I'm here to give you guys for free. So you guys don't have to go through the long journey and the long route I went through. I appreciate you guys for hopping on. God bless you. Have a wonderful week. Bye.